Welcome. If you want to enable or disable power off option in your Toshiba LED TV, at first you have to grab your remote control and click on the home icon. Next you have to go for the settings, pick system. Right now we have to go below, find more, and find auto power off option. So we can change it between 8 and 1 hour, and also we can turn it off. So if you want to get rid of that, just click off and then just go back. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.